Oh,
ouch.
And that hit De Aza on the head, and man, he's in pain out there. Yikes.
Well, that's taking one for the team. That's a leadoff runner. And that's similar to what happened to Castellanos. I think he got it in the hand.
Yes. Yep.
Looks like top of the hand or maybe wrist.
Yeah, right hand, and that's where Castellanos got it, on the top of the hand. That is those gingerly. That's how you feel after that. Those bones are very easily breakable. Trainer Ray Ramirez is out, as is Terry Collins, and De Aza is in a great deal of pain.
Yeah, it got him in the wrist. So see if the Mets can take advantage of this, scratch out a run and scratch out a W. Oh, I got him on the top of the hand. I think he's going to be okay. But it hurts nonetheless.
Ouch.
Yeah, that ball bites.
Oh, that hurt, no question. Mets have a base runner, though. We'll see if De Aza, I would imagine, is going to stay in the game. But as we go to that play in the bottom of the 8th inning, there was plenty of blame to go around there. But how much of it goes on to the third base coach, Dave Clark?
I don't think anything goes on to Dave Clark. I think he had to hold him up because the ground ball, you got to assume it's going to be fielded.